Here at Texmark and within our industry, safety is paramount. Every decision that we make is based on safety. These different use case solutions that we're employing here provide additional layers of safety. The team at Spark Cognition was able to clearly explain how the technology and the use of gathering data from our sensored pumps and applying artificial intelligence provide clearer, more accurate predictions about the condition of that pump. And that is an economic driver. We now have almost 2 months of clean data from our 2 sensored pumps. This allows George the millwright to get real-time data and look at historical data and to make predictions about what the condition of that pump might be in a week, in a month, in a year if the operating conditions continue the way they are. That is very powerful. At bottom, it is all about money, and we can monetize this IoT initiative here at Texmark by providing to our customers a technology value add. To say that as an industry we are gun shy of AI is an understatement. It's incredibly important for my colleagues in the industry to implement this technology. All that you have to do is try one thing and it is going to impact your organization in a very positive way. I encourage all my colleagues in my industry to start a project right now, because if you don't start, you will be behind.